my name's Annie here at BMW Northwest, and today we're going over what to do if your BMW's fob dies on you or just has a low battery and needs replacement. So as your key fob battery starts to die, the first thing you'll see is a message in the instrument cluster telling you it's time to replace it. If it does fully die, we'll have to get into the car manually by first popping off the cover on the door handle. Then take out the manual key inside the fob by pushing the button on the outside, and then unlock it. Once you've gotten a new battery for your key fob, this is how we're going to replace it. First, we'll push the button on the outside to pull out the metal key. Then you'll see a divot that you can push on with the metal key to pop off the back. And then again, use the metal key to pop the battery out. Just be careful because it might go flying. All right, just like that. Now it's ready for a new battery. Thanks for watching today's tech tip. Again, I'm Annie at BMW Northwest. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or just call 253-922-8700.